What's going on, everyone? Got a 2015 Honda Accord with us today. We're going to be pulling the cabin air filter off to check it for my customer here to find out if we need to replace it or not. So this is a good tutorial to show you how to replace yours. We're going to check yours, okay? It's going to be located behind the glove box, so we're going to need to lower this. To do that, go ahead and open it up. Now you have a damper, okay? It's connected to the glove box, and what that does is it slows the glove box when you go to open it. So we're going to need to disconnect it. All you need to do is take your thumb, stick it on here, and push down. Okay, you'll hear it go like that, and then we can just push it up out of the way. If you look, it's just like a little claw, okay? Now, if you look right here, there's these stoppers right here on both sides of the glove box, okay? And this is what stops the glove box from opening too far. All we gotta do is push the glove box inwards, okay, and get this around it, okay? And once we get it that far, then we can just work on a little bit more, and then we can pull it down like this. All right, so this is where the cabin filter is located. And to take this door off, you notice it has these arrows, okay, that point inward, okay, both sides. What that means is there's a button here. You're gonna push, pull towards us. Same thing on this side. Push towards us, pull towards us, and the door will come right off, okay? And there's the cabin filter here. Just grab it. Try to grab it. They can be a little stuck, okay? This one's actually pretty dirty. I'm gonna recommend my customer to go ahead and change this, okay? I'm gonna get these leaves out of here, all right? But I'll end up putting it back just to show you how it goes back. Now if we look on this guy here, on a lot of your filters, they'll have like an airflow arrow on it. This one doesn't, all right? When you get a new one, okay, there's gonna be an airflow with an arrow on it, so you can put this thing upside down if you're not careful, but you need the arrow pointing down, the airflow pointing down, okay? And if you look way back here on the box that says airflow, you have arrows pointing down. So when you get your new filter, you want the airflow going down, okay? If you need a filter, look in the description box and there'll be a link that takes you to Amazon where you can pick up a new filter, or if you need the part number, it'll be there. But just push it back in there as far as we can. Just gonna pretend like that's the new one. And get the door, and it just pushes right back on. Okay, you hear it click. Now the glove box door, all we do is just push it up, past the stoppers, it's good to go. And then we just get the damper here, and we just hook it back up. And now we're gonna pull it towards us, you hear it click. You're all done. We'll hope the video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate it if you drop me a like, leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys again in another video.